Good morning children, how are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter M2 volume and surface area. So let us see the rule how to find out the volume of different figures. See, first volume of a cube. As we know in a cube all the sides of a cube are equal. So volume of a cube is equal to side power cube, side power 3. Now it means side into side into side. Second, total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube means area of all 6 sides, 6 surface, that is equal to 6 into side square. Lateral or curved surface area of a cube, it means area of only 4 walls except top and bottom. What will be the area? Let us see. Its formula is 4 into side square. Next, volume of a cuboid. In cuboid, all length, breadth and height are of different measurement. So, the volume of cuboid will be L into B into H. It means length into breadth into height. Now, total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB. LB means L into breadth, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. In short form, we call them 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Sixth rule is curved or lateral surface area of a cuboid, that is equal to 2 into H inside the bracket L plus B. Volume of seventh rule is volume of a hollow cylinder is equal to find out the volume of a hollow cylinder, first we will find out the volume of the bigger cylinder whose radius is we will represent them in capital R. So pi r square H. If we will multiply area by height, we will get it the volume. So pi r square H minus pi into small r square H. So here we will take it common pi H. So inside the bracket capital R square minus a small r square. This will be our formula, where r is the radius of the bigger circle and small r is the radius of the smaller circle, and pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now eighth rule is total surface area of a cylinder. In cylinder, this bottom is also a circular shape and top has also a circular shape, so its area will be pi r square and pi r square. And how we'll find out the area of their side or curved surface area? 2 pi rh. So we'll write down 2 pi rh means perimeter into height, 2 pi rh for the curved surface area or area of the side wall, and top and bottom area pi r square plus pi r square, it will be 2 pi r square. Now we'll take it 2 pi r as a common, so inside the bracket h plus r. Therefore the formula will be 2 pi r into h plus r. This is for the total surface area. Now curved or lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi rh. Now we will see exercise 2a. Let us see exercise 2a. First question of this exercise is find the volume of a cube of age 5 cm. This is the cube whose all sides are 5 cm. So as we know, the volume of a cube is equal to side power cube. It means 5 power 3. So if you will multiply 5 into 5 into 5 3 times, it will be 125 centimeter cube. This will be our area answer. Now question number 2, find the length of an edge of a cube if its volume is given 125 cubic centimeter. Cc means cubic centimeter or 125 centimeter cube. So as we know, volume of a cube is equal to side cube. It means volume of a cube is given 125 centimeter cube is equal to, as we know, the volume of cube is side cube. So if you will make it a prime factorization of 125, we will get it 5 cube is equal to side cube. This 3 will cancel out. Therefore side is equal to 5 centimeter. Side is equal to 5 centimeter. This will be our answer. Question number 3. Find the volume of a cuboid whose length is 5 meter, breadth is 3 meter and height is 2 meter. So let us find out. As we know, volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Therefore 5 meter into 3 meter into 2 meter. It means 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30 meter cube. This will be our answer. Question number 4. The volume of a cuboid is 960 centimeter cube. Find its height of its if its length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. This is also a formula. Height of a cuboid is equal to, if volume is given, so volume upon length into breadth. Similarly, breadth is equal to volume upon length into height. Remember this formula. Now put its value. Height is equal to, what is volume? Volume is given 960 upon length is given 12 centimeter and height is given, height we have to find out, breadth is given 10 centimeter. So this 0 will cancel out, 12 it's a 96. So therefore height will be 8 centimeter. This will be our answer. Now let us see question number 5. How many cubic centimeter blocks will be required to build cubes or cuboid of the following? Let us see. The first part of this question is 4 centimeter by 8 centimeter by 7 centimeter, and second is given each side of a cube is 4 centimeter. It is given. So let us find out the volume of a cuboid. As we know, volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So 4 into 8 into 7, that is equal to 224 centimeter cube. This will be our answer. This much centimeter cube will be required. In the question it is given how many cubic centimeter blocks will be required. So this much cubic centimeter block will be required. Next, volume of a cube. As we know, volume of a cube is equal to side cube. Therefore it is 4 cube. So 4 into 4 into 4, that is equal to 64 centimeter cube. This is our answer. Now let us see question number 6. Find the capacity in liter of a pot of dimension 24 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter into 12 centimeter. Let us see. Volume of a pot, it is a cube in a cuboidal form. So we will, as we know, volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to 24 into 7.5 into 12, that is equal to 2160 centimeter cube. If you will multiply all these three terms, you will get it 2160 centimeter cube. So as we know, 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Therefore 2160 centimeter cube is equal to how many liter? 2160 60 divided by 1000. By dividing 1000 we will get it in liter. So it will be 0 will cancel out, 216 divided by 100, that is equal to 2.16 liter. This will be our answer. Let us see question number 7. 3 metallic cubes of side 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter are melted and made into a single cube. Find the age of new cube. Let us see how we'll solve this question. Volume of cube 1, cube 2 and cube 3. Let us find out. Volume of cube 1 plus cube 2 plus cube 3. So volume is equal to, cube 1 is given, the age of first cube is given 6. So volume of first cube will be 6 cube plus volume of second cube will be 8 cube plus volume of third cube will be 10 cube. So the total volume is equal to 6 cube means 216, 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8, that is equal to 512, and 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10, that is equal to 1000. Now after adding we will get it 1728 centimeter cube. This is new volume. After melting we will get it this much volume of the metallic cube. Now volume of this will be the volume of the new cube. So as we know, volume of a cube is equal to side cube. Now by prime factorization of it is given 1728 8 centimeter cube is the volume of new cube. So let us make a prime factorization of this. First we will divide it by 2. 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 6, 2 6 is 12. Now 2 1 is 2, here 16 we are taking together, so we will put it here 0 and 2 8 is 16. So 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 2 27 is 54. Now 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. Now we will make it a pair of 3 3 numbers. So here there are 3 2. So we will write down 1 2 here. For 3 we will write down 1. This side also 3 2's are given, so we'll write down 1 times 2. There are 3 3's, so we'll write down 1 times 3. Now we'll write down side cube is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. So we can write down side cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 power whole cube. We'll take it this cube as a common. So side cube is equal to 2 to the 4 3 is a 12 cube. So this 3 will cancel out. Therefore side of the new cube will be 12 centimeter. This is our answer. So dear students, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you.